Welcome back. In this video, we are going to discuss some of the previous year questions from the chapter Arithmetic Progression. Let's take it one by one. So, the first question we are having is, find the common difference of an AP in which A21 minus A7 is equal to A4. So, before starting the question, we must know what is AN. Let's recall the formula for finding the nth term. AN is nothing but the A plus n minus 1 into D. So what will be A21 minus A7? This will be A plus 21 minus 1 is 20D minus A7 is A plus 7 minus 1 is 60. This will be equals to 84. A plus 20D minus A minus 6D equals to 84. Then A and A are cancelled out. 20D minus 60, 14D is equal to 84. Then D will be equals to 6. That's what we need to find out. So the common difference will be nothing but the 6. Let's move on to the next question. Second question we are having is, find the 10th term of an AP. What is the AP? Root 2, root 8, root 18. So what is interesting in this question is, the terms are given in the square root form. So we need to remember that we can write root at A as root 2 cross 2 cross 2. This is nothing but 2 root 2. Similarly, we can write root 18 as root 3 cross 3 cross 2. Again 3 root 2. Then the AP we are having is of the form root 2, 2 root 2, 3 root 2 and so on. अगर आप यहाँ तक कर चुके हैं, then I don't think कि इसके बाद 10th term निकालने में कोई difficulty face होगी. So what we need to do? A10 is equal to A plus 9D. What was A? The first term itself, root 2. And what is D? Again root 2. D is nothing but A2 minus A1. 2 root 2 minus root 2 is root 2. So 9 root 2. This is nothing but 10 root 2. So the 10th term of a given AP will be 10 root 2. Let's move on to the next question. So the next question we are having is, for what value of k will the consecutive terms 2k plus 1, 3k plus 3 and 5k minus 1 form an AP? अगर आपको याद हो, while discussing the chapter, I told you that if three terms are in AP, or we need to find whether the given terms are in AP or not, what we need to do? We just need to check it out. A2 minus A1 is equal to A3 minus A2 or not. If they are equal, then we will say that the given terms are in AP, otherwise not. So this is what we have to apply in this question. So let's check it out. If I name this term as A1, this as A2 and this as A3, then we need to check it out. A1 minus A2 minus A1. What is A2? 3k plus 3. What is A1? 2k plus 1. Then this will be 3k plus 3 minus 2k minus 1. This will be k plus 2. And A3 minus A2. What is A3? 5k minus 1 minus 3k plus 3. 5k minus 1 minus 3k minus 3. This is 2k minus 4. And it is given that they form an AP. अब उसने बोला हुआ है कि ये AP बनाते हैं. अगर ये AP बनाते हैं, so definitely this will be of the form like this. Then we can equate this equation and this equation. Then we have k plus 2 is equal to 2k minus 4. इसको इधर ले जाएंगे, इसको इधर लाएंगे. Then 2k minus k equals to 2 plus 4, 6 equals to k. So we get the value k equals to 6. Now what is important here? We must need to verify whether the given term, whether the obtained term is true or not. अगर मैं k की वैल्यू इसमें पुट करके देखता हूँ और मुझे चेक करना पड़ेगा क्या ये AP बना रहे हैं या नहीं बना रहे हैं. अगर k मैं पुट करता हूँ A1 में, if k equals to 6, then there will be 13. A2 will be 3k plus 3. So the next question is bit interesting. The question is, if 7 times the 7th term of an AP is equal to the 11th times the 11th term, then find the 18th term. So क्वेश्चन में क्या बोला हुआ है, 7 times the 7th term is equal to 11 times the 11th term. Then we need to find out 18th term. So let's solve this first. 7 times 7th term is a plus 60, 11 times a plus 10d. So we need to mention कि हमने कौन सी प्रॉपर्टी यूज करी है, an equals to a plus n minus 1 times d. So on solving this, 7a plus 42d is equal to 11a plus 1110d. So इसको इधर ले जाते हैं, इसको इधर लाते हैं. So 42 minus 110 times d is equal to 4a, or we can say 4a equals to 858 68 minus 68d. So d equals to minus 17d. 17 a equals to minus 17d. So a की वैल्यू क्या आ गई? In terms of d we have obtained. So we need to find out the 18th term. So 18th term according to this formula will be a plus 17d. So what was value of a? Minus 17d plus 17d. We obtained 0. So the 18th term for a given AP is nothing but 0. Now move on to the last question for today. So the last question for today is, if the ratio of the sum of first m and n terms of an AP is m square and n square. चलो इसको लिख लेते हैं पहले. Sum of first m terms and n terms of an AP is m square and n square. Show that the ratio of the mth and the nth term. So am upon an is equal to 2m minus 1 upon 2n minus 1. ये हमारा आना चाहिए. I hope you have understood the question. So let's solve it. So Sm is, applying the formula, sum of first n term is n upon 2 2a plus n minus 1 times d. इसको हम अप्लाई करने वाले हैं. So what is Sm? m by 2 2a plus m minus 1 times d. Sn क्या होगा? n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 times d, and this is equal to m square by n square. M से m, n से m, 2 से 2 we can cancel out like this. So what is left? 2a plus m minus 1 times d upon 2a plus n minus 1 times d equals to m by n. इसको हम ऐसे लिख सकते हैं, a plus am अपॉन a plus an इक्वल्स टू m अपॉन n. क्योंकि इसको मैं ब्रेक डाउन कर सकता हूँ, a plus m minus 1 into d. So a plus m minus 1 into d is nothing but the am itself. a plus n minus 1 into d is nothing but the an itself. तो यहाँ पर हम क्या करेंगे? क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई. So on cross multiply we get an equals to an plus n times am plus m times an. So from here we get a n minus m equals to m an minus n am. इसको मैं अगर ओपन करता हूं, so this was nothing but the a plus n minus 1 times d a plus m minus 1 times d. इसको ओपन करते हैं, m a plus n minus 1 m d minus n a minus m minus 1 n d. सो यहां से मेरी टर्म्स क्या क्या बची? एम ए प्लस एम एन डी माइनस एम डी माइनस एन ए एम एन डी माइनस प्लस एन डी. एम एन डी से एम एन डी गया, and what is left an minus am. an ये उठ के इधर आएगा तो 2an, ये उठ के इधर आया तो माइनस 2am इज इक्वल टू n माइनस m टाइम्स d. Then from here we can see I need to rub it. We can take 2a as common, n minus m is left, n minus m times d. So 2a is equal to d. यहां से मेरा 2a कितना निकल के आ गया d. So what I need to do now, now we will calculate am upon an. So what is am? A plus m minus 1 times d upon a plus n minus 1 times d. So what is a plus m minus 1? d की जगह पर 2a रख देंगे हम, a plus n minus 1 d की जगह पर 2a रख दिया. इसको सॉल्व करने पर आया a plus 2am minus 2a upon a plus 2an minus 2a. So what is left? 2am minus a upon 2an minus a. a से a कॉमन लिया, then what is left? 2m minus 1 upon 2n minus 1. So this is what we need to calculate. So that's it for today. If you have any doubt, please leave a comment in the comment section, or you can message me on the Telegram or the Instagram as well. Thank you and have a nice day.